Welcome students. In today's small video, I am interested in going to explain you few points related with the DOS, disk operating system, because many a times we require to work with the command prompt. So first of all, try to understand and remember what are the drives and folders. Folders are also called as directories. So to open a Windows Explorer, I had just given a click on Explorer. Now you can understand these are what the various drives which are present on my machine. So this is the drive called as C drive. This is the drive called as D drive. When I give a click on a drive, I can get various folders created by me over here along with the files which are present. This is known to everybody. This folder is only called as what a directory. And in the Windows Explorer, we can switch between a drive and a folder by giving the click on the left pane or maybe the right pane, etc. Now, how to operate the same Windows Explorer by using the command prompt. So let us try to focus on these things in this video. The first thing we understood what is a drive and what are the folders are also called as directories. Now how to open a command prompt? It is very easy to open a command prompt. Just give a click on the start and type the CMD command. I am using Windows 10. If you are using the older version of Windows, you can type run first and then go for a command prompt by giving the command called as CMD. So I'm just giving CMD command. You can open the command prompt as a normal user or you can run it as an administrator. In many installation and many kind of operation, we require to run the command prompt as an administrator. But normally for today's session, I don't think so. We need to have an administrator running for the command prompt. If you're doing it, that is also okay. So I'd open a command prompt. When I open a command prompt, you come to know that I am currently working in a C drive where I am there inside a folder called as Abhay, which is inside a folder called as users, which is under the folder called as root. So we are in C drives, root folders के अंदर का, users folder के अंदर का Abhay folder. And I can see some other contents also displayed over here. If I don't want to display the content, I can just give a command as CLS. CL is for what you clear the screen. Now, so we understood we can open a command prompt and this is what your drive letter followed by the root directory, followed by the folder name, followed by the subfolder name or whatever the folder in which you are. That is what showing you the path. That Abhay folder is present inside a users folder, user folder is present inside a root folder is of a C drive. So the first point is clear to us. We had understood what is a folder and what is a drive. We had understood how to open the command prompt. We had seen how to clear the screen. Now we would like to check how to view the directory contents. So currently I am in a Abhay folder and I would like to view the contents of the Abhay folder. It is very easy. The command is dir. So dir is a command which is used for the sake of listing the directory contents. So after giving the command, I had pressed enter. So you can see all these contents are being displayed over here. And here I can see this is what all the directories are, but this is nothing but a file. Right? So there are files and folders which are present inside the Abhay folder are listed in front of you. Some of them are directory and some of them are files. So you can see this is the dot. Dot stands for current folder or current directory and double dot stands for the parent folder and parent directory. This is available in a dir command for each and every directory. Physically you can see it in a Windows Explorer, but these are the two folders which are always been there. Actually, it is the presentation of the current folder and the parent folder. So you can see the different files and the folders which are present inside the directory with the help of a command called as dir. Now dir command is having various other options along with it. I can just provide like star.bmp. So what this will do, this will try to provide me all the files with the extension named as the BMP, bitmap image file. So there are no folders, no files which are present with the extension called as BMP. So nothing is being displayed over here, which is not present inside what you Abhay folder. So star means you know that star means all. So any file name with the extension as BMP. You can learn very well in a dir command. You can go to Google and you can try to work on this same dir command. Various other options are there with dir command. You can see the list of options by using the / question mark. So you can see the various options which are available with the dir command. So dir command is having the option like /d. D stands for what here? Directory. We have an option called as what is /w. What is the /w? Let's see what is /w. So I'm providing dir /w. So you can see the same content but not in a single list but in a columnar list. If I am saying dir /d/w, what it means, only directories will be what being listed over here. So you can see the various options of dir command with the help of which you can see the contents which are present inside the directory in which you are. So currently I can see all the content which are present inside what here Abhay folder or Abhay directory. Now what next? Next I would like to go for changing a drive. What is changing a drive? Currently I am working in a C drive. Suppose your machine is having C, D, E, F or a pen drive you are attached. So you would like to change the drive. Is very easy. You can put a drive letter then followed by the colon. So when you provide the drive letter followed by the colon and if you press enter, you will find that currently now it is showing you that you are present inside what your D drive, a root folder. Because you are not in any other folder of a D drive. Suppose you would like to go for again switching to the C drive, is quite easy. You can just provide C followed by the colon and press enter. Again you are coming up in what your C drive, but in a C drive you are not in the root folder. You are inside Abhay folder which is present inside a user folder which is present inside what your root folder. So again I am going to D drive. If I am pressing dir command over here, you can see the listing of all the content which are present inside a D drive. I can provide dir/w. So this is what showing me all the file content which are present inside what here root directory of the D drive. Sir, I would like to change again to the C drive. Quite easy. C colon. So drive letter followed by the colon, pressing enter, you are switching to a particular drive. So the points which are seen by us, we had seen what is folder, again is a directory, what is drive. We know how to open a command prompt. We know how to clear the screen. We know how to view the contents inside the directory or a folder. And we know how to change the drive in a command prompt by using drive letter and the colon. Now we would like to understand how to change the directory. Suppose I am present inside now a D drive. So I am here in a D drive and I would like to go to a particular folder which is present in a D drive. So I am just putting a dir command. Various folders are available over here and I can see the list of this folder. And currently I would like to go towards what we consider a folder which is named as the full stack Java. A folder also called a directory. So my D drive, a root directory, is having a folder called as full stack Java and I would like to now switch to the folder called as full stack Java. How can I do it? Quite easy. You can just provide a command called as cd. cd stands for change directory space followed by the name of the folder in which you would like to jump. I would like to go towards the folder called as full stack Java. So you can just type the entire folder name full stack Java or you can just type F. You know the folder in which you would like to go. Press tab. Suppose I am providing over A. Fine. A. Okay. Angular project is one folder which has been available over there. So you can type the first letter and you can, if you are not typing anything and you are pressing tab, fine. It will go on showing you all the different folders which are present. Right? So you know the folder name, so you can write F and then press tab. Or otherwise type the entire text. Shortcut key is that you can use the tab. So I had used cd full stack, press enter over here. Now you can see my prompt. This is called in DOS as prompt. So my prompt shows that currently inside a full stack Java, which is inside a root of a D drive. Sir, I would like to see the contents of this full stack Java. Again, I am pressing dir. Fine, I can see Atom HTML, VS Code HTML, required software and many others. Sir, I would like to go towards, you can see again dot and double dot have been always present because dot represent the current folder, double dot represent the parent folder. I would like to now jump towards the VS Code HTML. So what I'm doing, again going to CD and then pressing tab. So again I'm going towards what is VS Code HTML. If I'm pressing dir over here, you can come to know this is what's showing me the contents of this current folder, which is named as a VS Code HTML. So I would like to clear the screen, again press CLS. Now what I would like to do, suppose I am using dir command over here. What is this dot and what is this double dot? Suppose I am using over a CD dot. It means present in the current folder only. But instead of that, suppose I am using CD dot dot. And now I am pressing enter. You can see very well what is happening. You are jumping to the parent folder called as what you have full stack Java. Suppose again you are going towards what you have VS Code HTML. And now you would like to go to the image folder of this VS Code HTML. So you have cd img. So now the prompt says you are in the image folder which is present inside a VS Code HTML, which is present inside a full stack Java, which is present inside a D drive. So I would like to jump to the C drive. Okay, C colon. So I would like to jump to the D drive. Okay, D colon. So I would like to go to the parent folder of this img folder. Fine, cd dot dot. So I am in the parent folder of the image folder. Sir, I want to go to directly to the root folder. What I can do? CD backslash. Simply. So I am saying CD backslash. I am jumping towards what? My root folder. Sir, suppose I am going to C drive again. And I would like to go to the root folder of C drive. Simply CD backslash. Right? So these are the few commands which are helping us to go to jump to any particular drive and any particular directory inside a particular drive.